Hi guys, today we're going to cover how you can use YouTube Shorts to help you get more views and help your channel grow. If you are not aware, there are changes coming, well, good changes. This is with regards to YouTube Shorts and getting monetized. This is positive news, especially for smaller channels. For this to work for you, your channel need to score 10 million views in 90 days. This could help you to get more subscribers and views so that your channel qualifies to get monetized. Channel owners are gearing themselves for the challenge, and are already getting several thousand views in a matter of weeks. It's like the gold rush again. One thing that I've realized is that the up-and-coming YouTubers waste time on worrying about getting likes and comments for their content. Like will not get you views or subscribers. They are good to get, but they don't influence how far your content will be pushed to be seen. Rather focus on making sure that you publish your content when your viewers are online to watch, the quality of your thumbnail and the hashtags to help your content go viral. Once your content go viral, it will help you with improving your watch time. The more watch time you get, the more successful you'll get. Now, then let's talk about the length of your videos. Take note that your watch time is dependent on the length of your video. It's better to aim for 100%. If for example your video is 5 minutes long, its performance is going to be judged against other 5 minutes long videos. If your video is 10 minutes long, its performance is going to be judged against other 10 minutes long videos. If your video is 45 seconds long, its performance is going to be judged against other 45 seconds long videos. It goes on and on like that. So better aim to get as much watch time as you can. If you succeed in getting the most watch time from your 45 seconds videos, for example, keep on producing videos of the same length. You can get more watch time if your viewers are engaged with your content. YouTube will even do its magic to reach a wider audience, allowing you to get even more watch time. While we are still talking about watch time, do not sabotage the growth of your channel by destroying your watch time. Here's what can destroy the watch time you are getting. Going on and on camera without a change in the background, clip, or story can definitely destroy your watch time. Not having even something like a text or emoji showing up during your talk can decrease your watch time. Having variety on your video keeps people glued to your content. Throwing in music when you didn't have to can also destroy your watch time. Don't just add music to your short, you can do that in order to raise some emotions. Don't just add that for the sake of doing it. Also, time where exactly during the video you want to add music. And ask yourself, which emotion do you want to raise? There is set no rule when it comes to the length of your videos. Just make sure that you are in check with what your competitors, those who are in the same niche as you are doing. The closer you are to what is seen as a standard in your niche, the more you can compete with channels in your niche. If viewers in your niche tend to like watching 10 minutes videos, for example, YouTube tend to promote videos of the same length to them. YouTube tends to promote videos to viewers based on the watch history, paying attention to the length of the video and the content type. If your content is far off from what your competitors are doing in terms of content type and length, then you might not find success as you can struggle to get viewers. The advice here is this. Focus your time and energy on understanding your audience's needs, what they like to watch and how long they watch it. That's what will bring success to your channel if you do proper research and cater your audience according to their needs. The trick here is to ensure that you keep people on the YouTube channel for the longest time. YouTube can rate you negatively if people spend little time watching your content and walk away. You need to create and stack your content in a way that will make someone to watch one video, and find themselves going for the second video and third, and so on. Once there's that level of interest in watching your videos, YouTube knows that if you get traffic, watching one of your videos will lead to the next ones. And when it comes to shots, one person can find himself watching 7 consecutive videos from your channel without even realizing it. If that happens, YouTube will surely reward you. YouTube Shorts, just like longer videos, need you to spend time on activities such as researching what works in your niche when it comes to thumbnails and the title of your videos. It can do you good to play around with different thumbnails and see which ones work better. Doing these changes do not require you to be highly technical. It's the basics, but can make a huge difference in getting your videos in front of the viewers. Hope this helps you with working on your watch times when it comes to shots. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.